Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after another very nice movement here, definitely updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning, just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains. It's just not relevant anymore. So from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. And first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So right around the 178 mark is going to be that ideal level of support. Ideal meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? Definitely if the price can stay up above that green line. With that being said, don't get me wrong. It's not like if the price falls below there, that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes on, this line here is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So as I've said in past videos, the most straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. What about levels of resistance going forward? Pretty straightforward, just simply where the party essentially stopped today. And that's right up there around the 205 mark. I get it, the price did go higher than that, but there just seems to be more price congestion right here around 204 or 205. So in my opinion, this is the truer level of resistance, meaning if the price works its way back upwards and then gets a good high volume break of the 205-ish area, and then while there's no such thing as a guarantee, it also would not be very shocking at all to see the price get up to 210 and then break above those areas too. But one hurdle at a time, and really resistance levels don't matter. What matters is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here, just building those higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as these stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.